In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WooCommerce Analytics fast and easy. WooCommerce Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights into your online store's performance. By enabling it, you can easily track your sales, product views, cart activities, and so much more. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll need to access your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. If you're new to WordPress, this is the heart of your site management where you can control various aspects of your online store. You'll find it right when you log into your WordPress account. Once you have your dashboard open, your journey to enable WooCommerce Analytics begins by locating the WooCommerce tab. Typically, you'll find this on the left-hand side menu. WooCommerce is the plugin that powers your e-commerce capabilities, so it's an essential part of your WordPress setup. With the WooCommerce menu expanded, the next step is to dive into Settings. Simply click on the Settings option. The Settings panel is where you can customize various facets of your WooCommerce store, tailoring it to fit your specific needs. Once in the settings, your next move is to navigate to the Advanced settings. The Advanced section houses more intricate settings that offer additional control over your store's functionality. So click on Advanced, and you'll see a few more options appear. At this point, you will be looking for a section called Features. Click on Features, and you'll be directed to a page where you can toggle different WooCommerce capabilities. Here is where you'll find the option to enable WooCommerce Analytics. Finally, let's activate WooCommerce Analytics. Scroll down until you see Analytics and simply enable this option. By doing this, you're turning on WooCommerce's built-in analytics capabilities, which will soon start collecting valuable data for you. That's it. You've just enabled WooCommerce Analytics on your website. Now, you'll be able to get insights into what's happening in your store with real numbers on performance. Understanding these metrics is crucial to optimizing your sales strategies and improving your customer engagement. Remember, routinely checking and analyzing your store's analytics can give you a substantial advantage in the competitive e-commerce space. Whether you're looking at what's selling best, customer purchase behavior, or how many hits your product pages get, this information can drive your business decisions. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process clear for you to follow. Start exploring WooCommerce Analytics and harness the power of data to elevate your online store. Thank you for watching, and be sure to drop a like if you found this video useful.